everyone, welcome back to my channel Cinnamon Days with Surbi. So we all love chaats and chaat is my favorite snack. So today I brought you quick and easy recipe of protein makhana bhel that can be prepared in few minutes. So with no further delay, let's start preparing. First of all, we will roast makhana. I have added 1 tablespoon of olive oil with a pinch of salt. I'm roasting them on medium flame. Makhana are also called as fox nuts. They are high in fiber, they have high protein content, rich in calcium, potassium, magnesium and low in sodium. That makes a perfect snack for diabetes, heart patient or Weight Watcher or anyone who loves makhana. It's one of my favorite snacks. So let's just wait until they will get roast. We have to roast them until they are a bit golden brown, so I can see that. So now I will turn off the flame. Let's add roasted chana and roasted peanuts. Now we will add chopped onions and tomatoes, chopped cucumber. You can add some green chili if you like it spicy. Squeeze some lemon. Add homemade coriander chutney that I have made at home. You can drizzle some honey if you would like a sweet flavor in it. Add a pinch of salt in it, or salt as per your taste. If you would like to make it more spicy, you can add a pinch of red chili powder, chaat masala, and we have to mix it all together. We can garnish our makhana bhel with some pomegranate seeds and chopped coriander. Yes, it's ready. Protein makhana bhel is a great snack for evening, like you can have with your tea, or you can serve it to your guest or to your loved ones. Please give it a try and let me know in comment section if you like it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more healthy recipes.